Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Sign into the same Apple ID on both the iPhone and the Mac, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, open Settings on iPhone and System Settings on Mac. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is active so Discovery works. Then, go to Messages settings and toggle on Messages in iCloud on both devices to allow syncing. This setup primes the devices to exchange message data immediately. Now you'll enable and verify the sync process. On iPhone, go to Settings Messages, use Messages in iCloud and enable it. This uploads conversations. On the Mac, open Messages, choose Settings, select iMessage, and check Sync Messages so the Mac downloads the same history. Make sure send and receive addresses match on both devices. If you rely on SMS forwarding for non-iMessage texts, enable text message forwarding on the iPhone and authorize the Mac to send and receive those messages. Finish by confirming the conversation history appears on the Mac. iCloud may take time to sync large archives, so be patient and keep both devices awake and connected. If messages don't appear, restart both devices, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in, then re-enable Messages in iCloud. One key troubleshooting tip: verify available iCloud storage and that both devices show the same Apple ID and trusted phone number. Mismatches or low storage are the most common causes of sync failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.